Hey there guys, welcome to today's Captain's Blog. It's 9:51 hours on Wednesday, November 6, 2013, and the machines are coming alive. It's happening. We've got the awesome Doug here today. He's thrilled, he's excited. So yeah, it all comes together. Big CNC day. Seems dumb to me. It seems backwards to me.
Is it upside down?
I think it's backwards. I don't really care. Because it's not like we're going to adjust it very often.
Oh, I see.
But I should probably swap them around now while I can. Because it's trivial to change at this point.
In an hour to change it later?
No, but it's more of a pain in the ass. And I've spent enough of my life being a professional pain in the ass. It just comes naturally, though. That seems better.
Dog is just chilling.
Alright, now we gotta lift him up. I don't want to do this alone. Here, let me see. Rocco.
You need Rocco?
I need Rocco. Because I need a long VGA cable. And that's what Rocco's doing.
Take this back, I'll go get Rocco.
Okay. Thank you. Boom, there you go. It's the all-new display to replace this, which sucks. I'll be back. Alright guys, it's 13:35 hours and time for viewer mail. I got a very special box here from my buddy Brad at Tactical Keychains. You need to check these guys out. Brad is kind of a freak. He's a turbo nerd geek inventor kind of guy and has a bit of a fetish for titanium, but he makes up for it by inventing really cool things out of titanium, and he sends them in and tells me to play with them. So, what is a hackerspace without a titanium lockpick set? This requires a lockpicking vid. You are right. Brad, you're a dick! What is a hackerspace without a titanium lockpick set? By the way, all these toys that Brad sends me, you can get. Brad started his own company called TacticalKeychains.com. He is a superstar of Kickstarter. He's really good at having cool ideas.
And he makes them well, from what I understand.
Yeah, he does. And he's friends with our very own Iskar Rick. This is a sticker. How many? Dude! I think he just did this because he had a bunch of extra boxes laying around from Amazon and UPS. The others are stickers too. Is this enough stickers? Brad, one of these days you're gonna come here and I'm just gonna kick your ass on camera as payback for all the abuse.
We could just cover him in stickers.
I think when he comes and visits, we're going to cover his car in stickers or something like that. TacticalKeychains.com stickers. Okay, this is interesting. I like these, by the way. I get these from, there's another website whose name I will not mention, but there's another website where I buy these a lot and I use them for all kinds of stuff. I've given Batman a couple. Quick flipped Tipex when installed on a TI Key Mini. Alright, that's the point when I realized that Brad was actually from China and is the guy that writes the instruction manuals for all the stuff we get. He might actually write LED specifications. Oh, that's sexy. That's cool. It's got a little tension wrench in there. Now this is not the first keychain lockpick set I've seen, but it is the most adept. That's really cool. There's a tension wrench. Is that a tension wrench? And if it is oh! They come off! Okay, because I'm like, how the hell do you use a tension wrench and pick the same? No, okay, this is a transport storage mechanism. Do these come off? See, Brad's watching us and laughing like hell because I'm like a monkey over here. Okay, that one doesn't come off. That one just wrangles them all in. Okay, so that when you do that, they all come out. Okay. This one comes off, so that you have a tension wrench. Alright, so that's the tension wrench. Right there. These are the lock picks. This looks like a tension wrench, but does not, yeah, there's no hole. This has a hole on the side so you can pop it off. So this looks like a tension wrench, and it could be if you really needed to, but you'd have to take a screw out. But if you're in a big enough pinch where you need that tension wrench, it's not a problem. So we have a lock right here. You have some unusual pick shapes, but I can see how they'd be useful. I've never seen pick shaped like this before, and I've played with lock picks for a while. Watch me lock myself out of this thing forever. These are really cool. Well, thank you, sir. These are going to get demonstrated in our upcoming lockpicking video. Yes, I have made mention of it. It's coming. There's a lot of videos coming. Remember, we did just get the new cameras. We've been working on getting everything cleaned and set up and open to the public and all that jazz, but there is a lockpick. There's actually a few lockpicking videos coming. This is really sexy. I like the design. It's in blue. It's pretty damn awesome. I like it. That's neat. So that is your look at the quick flip Tipex? Quick flip Tipex? That's what I'm calling it. It's the quick flip Tipex. And more stickers. And these particular stickers are notoriously bothersome. Oh, I got it. There you go. That's where the snipers know where to aim. Excellent, sir. And I'm going to put it on the thing. I'm guessing that's the spot to put it on. You should send me a few of these, and I will give them out. I will do them as giveaways and such like. That's kind of funny. I don't know if the camera will see this, but look, I've got a few of these. This particular one has a manufacturing defect. If you can see down inside the hole on the sidewalls, I don't know if it'll show. I'll try and get my thumb out of the way so you can see down in there. The inside of that is not threaded. It's smooth bore. Normally it's threaded and you just put this on there and you screw it together. This particular one, that's not going to happen. Brad, I am unimpressed, Brad. Yeah, it's never going to work. I'm gonna put this up here with another one of your stickers right now to mock you. Purely for the purposes of mocking you. And then you're going to come here, because right now Brad's like, "You're nuts, man, that thing works, it's always worked. You never see it again." So I'll put another one of these here, attach your keychain thing right here, with that on it. As a symbol of your abuse and torment. With your 50 damn boxes. More stickers. You can never have too many stickers. Have I mentioned I have kind of a thing for stickers? Alright, that's viewer mail. This is going in my pocket.
There's more viewer mail.
Oh, there's more viewer mail! That was just the first box! Amazon Fulfillment Services. There's more stuff.
It's for Rocco.
All of it?
Yes.
Butterbur extract. Standardized to 15% pedicins. I don't know what the hell that is. Vitamin B2. And enough ibuprofen to where he could tolerate working with me all day. Okay. This is from Chris Stoltz in San Antonio, Texas. It's wrapped entirely in duct tape. A piece of that on the wall. I can't just cut it off because I don't know what's inside. It could be something delicate. And he did it with a bunch of little pieces. Guy's got a flaming job. Chris, you suck! It's a circuit board for what appears to be a USB hub. Thank you, Chris. Wait. I don't know what you were hoping to accomplish or what you wanted me to do with that.
You should let us know.
That's what's happening to it. I have a feeling, given what it is, you want me to put it through Thumper, but because of the impressively obnoxious wrapping job, I'm just going to stick it to the wall. Because I'm not going to spend 5 minutes of my life trying to unwrap something. This is a thank you from Sam's Club. It's tape. It's masking tape. I have no idea who it's from, but thank you. That's something we use a hell of a lot of. This is cool because it's got bugs on it. Chinese stamps with bugs. The word you're looking for is philately, which is not nearly as dirty a word as you think it is. Philately. It's an electronic part. Which part? Oh, it's the... So you remember the autopsy we did on the radio scanners? I don't think it's aired yet, but we shot it a couple weeks ago. We got a bunch of little radios in. We got 2 of them and the battery covers didn't work. So I ordered battery covers for them. And then the battery covers never came, and I forgot that I had ordered the battery covers. And then I autopsied the damn radio. That's the battery cover. It just arrived on the slow boat from China. I'm having a day. Endoscope, boroscope inspection camera. That looks fun. I don't know who sent this, but thank you. 5-meter USB waterproof endoscope, boroscope inspection camera. This could make for all kinds of interesting video. It's a burned CD. This is some of the highest quality of manufacturing I've ever seen. Oh my God, look inside. The LEDs, one of them's broken off the board. Will it focus on that? Look at the LEDs. The bottom one, from your point of view, is broken off the board. Okay, this is a thing, and I am interested. I don't care. We got lots of lights, and if I can make it work, that'll be cool. I have uses for that. Oh, this one's heavy. Hello. Gift from Chris Denny. Hopefully this will help you get a handle on things from Chris Denny. Okay, that goes on the wall. Thank you, sir. Oh, I think they're more the doorknob things.
Yeah.
Oh God, that is so cool. Doorknobs are a constant pain in our ass. We have so many. Guys, we need like 50 of these.
They're on our wish list?
Yeah, they're on our Amazon wish list. We need these bad. Thank you, Mr. Denny, sir. That is awesome.
I wasn't exaggerating on the wish list when I said we needed 84 of them.
Oh, we counted?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have
One or two at a time helps a lot.
Omni Dog, just because you were good, you didn't give me any shit during viewer mail, you can have a cookie. You want a cookie? You want a cookie? You gotta show them how good you are. How you don't run out into traffic after other dogs, like the bad puppy. Yeah, you're a good dog. Okay, thank you. You guys have fun, we'll be back. Hey! Excellent work, Rocco, sir.
Cable's all nice and tucked.
Hey, Rocco? You're missing colors.
All right.
You're missing the blue channel.
The last 6 feet I had to extend isn't working properly. I'll be fine with the cable.
Okay, yeah, you're missing blue. I can tell because the submit interpreter there is a different color than it is here. But it's an image and it didn't freak out at the resolution, which makes me happy.
And I was just 6 feet short on the cable, so.
We'll figure it out. It's progress. I'm happy. Thank you, sir. 16:37 hours, and it is time for the awesome unveiling and test of the main everything of the router room. Moose, if you would please turn on the air. Okay, air bearing system is up. Now we'll bring on the machine. Okay. Now, I'm just going to leave the door open for now. Alright, so that's the sound of the machine. Got to give it a moment. Okay, so we're booted. There. Okay, so vacuum pumps. If you listen closely, you will hear all 3 turbine pumps come online. we built the room. Oh, God. And you can talk, and we don't have to scream. We can actually talk. I mean, there's noise. You can hear...
There's something happening.
Yeah, there's a whole lot of something going on in there.
We can talk in a normal voice.
We don't have to scream. And we're standing right next to the door, and it's not insulated around the door. There's no trim or anything yet. There's still big holes there.
So how does it sound on the other side of the room?
I don't know. Let's go to the other side of the room.
I feel like we could definitely do tours without stopping.
Oh, yeah. We can totally do tours now without stopping the sheet router. We could probably... Depending, but yeah. And now...
Fine.
You come over here, the robot's louder than the room.
Yeah, the fans.
That little tiny room is like vibrating with shit going on.
It doesn't sound any louder than somebody running a shop vac.
Yeah, it's fine. I can hear the robot.
My opinion, the shop vac is still louder.
Yeah, I'd say if you had a shop vac going over there, it'd be louder now. All right, go shut everything down. We'll see if we can really hear the difference over here. That's cool. I am so glad we have that little room. Yes! Dog approves. Tomorrow at 1 o'clock.
It's gonna be a video.
For the insulating? There's your block right there. Yeah, we're gonna do
I'm
it.
so sorry. It was me. I did it. I promise I'll never put my fingers there again.
What are you looking for?
Mike, it's over here.
It's right here.
I did bad things with my fingers, Chris. Terrible, terrible things.
Simple green.
Are you going to give the people some context?
So, show them the monitor.
Where's the
You
monitor?
should go show off the monitor and thank the IRC. Tell them how awesome they are, because they are quite awesome for that.
Oh, yeah. There's that monitor that's on the wall, so we can actually, like, read what Jeff is doing whilst we're actually doing... Oh, there's Jeff as well. Yeah, wherever. We put a monitor on the wall. This is one of the old crappy ones that got replaced, I do believe. Or it's a brand new one. I'm not sure which. I think it's probably a brand new one, actually. So we've got that on there so we can actually find out what Jeff is doing. And the old one that was on there... No, it's not the old one, it's that. We're killing that, but whilst it's on. And Chris has concerns about the flyback in the back of here doing bad things to Jeff as we crush it whilst it's turned on. So, yeah. At the moment, he's got a sheet of Lexan, and we are... The sheet of Lexan, just there, is the insulating... Not... UHMW, I'm so sorry. Is going to be the insulating face between the aluminium block, which is crushing face, and Jeff, so that we don't kill a priceless robot.
That is a cooler way of saying it, really.
What's a cool way of saying what?
Aluminium.
Aluminium. Sorry, guys.
Sounds more
Look
awesome.
at the intent focus on that face.
Go.
Where is that drill? Oh, right there.
More as it happens.
Why do we build awesome? It's not because we like showing off, though we do, and it's not because when science says, here's how the world works, we answer, great, now watch us bend it to our fucking will, though we definitely do that. No, we build awesome because we want to share the exhilaration we feel when we prove nature wrong, when we make something that shouldn't happen, or that can't happen, or that can happen but not whenever we please happen, goddammit. We want to spread the ability to take what the world gives you and turn it into something unexpected. We want to get people who would ordinarily be just bored or disinterested in math, science, and engineering to feel that spark. And we'll use irresponsibly loud noises and automaton-made handcrafts and musical fire and death rays and tiny stars and giant Newton's cradles and lightning machines and motherfucking robots to do it, because we can. You might not have the resources we do, but you can still get the people in your life excited about science. You want a tangible, recognizable, and it's worth mentioning easy-to-transport example of how humans can dictate the way our world works? Done. Solved. Shrunken coins. For instance, we take a US $quarter, coil copper wire around it, load it into our high-energy physics laboratory's impulse generator, and for just an instant dump frankly insane current through that coil, producing such powerful magnetic fields that the quarter compresses in on itself to the size of a dime, yet retains all of its surface features. And it comes in an educational packet explaining the science behind it. Not that you'll need that, since you'll want to carry that thunderbolt in your pocket. Available at thegeekgroup.org, now for only $10.
I didn't want to do this.
All right, get a thing of paper towel, some green, wipe it down, super clean. What you doing, Mike?
Because I jammed it all the way in the chest.
That would be bad.
I'm stealing. Room back.
This could get fun.
Mike! Damn it! Mike!
What?
You just drilled a crooked hole!
I know.
Stop, Mike!
Alright, what?
Okay, you're competent trained machinist. How do you not know how to use a drill press?
What are you talking about?
Okay, the hole has to be straight through.
Yeah, I didn't realize it.
You're sitting on a thing. You want to clamp this down with something, and you want to lower your speed way the hell down. You're way too fast. Way too fast. Do you know how to change speeds on this? It's not hard, I can show you. It's the little lever dingus. You twist this. And then pull that in, you gotta twist the other one. Okay, that loosens the motor. You bring that in, like that. Now your belts are super loose. And then the rest of the top's just like a bicycle. So we're gonna go down a speed right here. You just bring that right around, like that. Jam that back out, hard. You tighten this down. That holds it there. Tighten this down. It's an archaic system, but it works. That's actually faster.
It's okay. It's pretty much unlimited surface speed here.
Yeah, but I just did it backwards. And if you go really fast, you're just gonna burn it. And
If you get enough chip load, then
hang on a
you
second.
eject
Hang
your
on.
teeth.
I'm gonna bring that back in like that. There's a chart up on top if I was paying attention. I just had it backwards. Mike!
Huh?
Mike! Here, you take that. I need 2 hands. Thank you. Kill me, Mike. Put this side on. We're gonna go rather low. Gotta go down one step at a time. It's a whole thing. Take that down like that. Put this one here. That should be 490 RPM, which is not bad. Go down one more. That
I guess they want it accurate now or something.
440. I don't want it crazy accurate. I just want you to, I want it to fit. And if you've got the holes going in at an angle, I don't mind a little slop because it's going to get tightened down and it'll be good. But now, and we're off there, so there, that's a lot slower. That's not going to kill it. It's all you. What?
I need you to move the robot so we have optimal position.
Yeah, we got to figure out where.
I figured we'd like it centered, but I just don't know how far in or out.
Well, let's take a look and see what we can get.
And if you have the replacement screen, then I can put it in.
was the one called Koch.
Huh, steel. And squeak.
Now there's a cable that goes from the base, right? So you
Yeah.
can't actually...
Yeah, that's why you can't go all the way around. You can go, I think you can go just a little bit beyond all the way around, but then you have to come back around.
It's eyeing it up.
So is this the robot yoga thing? Or you actually...
No, this was a program for a thing. This was a work envelope safety setup thing. Intimidating as hell when it does that, isn't it?
That's really good if you're intimidating if you had like the full workload on the end of it and it was coming at you like that.
Thing sitting there weighs a ton.
Can you get it to come to up here and then crush down from the hold position?
Yeah.
So
It's not as fast as it could be.
No, this is its full rated speed.
Oh, it is.
Yeah, it can move a lot faster. Remember, this is designed as a rather heavy materials handling robot. It's not designed for high speed. It's designed to lift and move heavy things.
Interesting. The program needs to be like coming
But
from
it's
stop position or
capable
something.
of moving a lot faster if you reduce its weighted load. So it's designed to move this fast with 800 pounds hanging off the end of the fucking thing.
Which is terrifying
With
to watch.
nothing on the end of it, stupid fast. Because they're servo drums. Now, we're going to drop over to manual control. I'm now in teach mode. Got manual control of the robot. We're in the world coordinate system. So I'm going to want to go to the axis coordinate system. Like that. And we're going to go pick 4 negative. No, I want 5. This is so much fun. So this is a world coordinate system. Ah, damn, I'm good. Okay. So now you just tell me where you want it. So if we want plus x, so you're moving it in the world coordinate system. If you look on the far right side, third square, if you see the little globe, that's world coordinate system. That means I'm making coordinated movements. Okay. If I say plus x, this is x. We reach out away from the robot. Okay? And all 6 motors start and all 6 motors stop at the same time. This,
Okay, so it's only
this center circle right here on the faceplate, that is where you are. Okay? So if you want to go down, well, to make that go down in a perfectly straight line, all this has to do a lot of math to solve. How do I? It's called inverse kinematics. So if I go negative z right now, the plate moves perfectly straight down. The end of the arm has to come way in to keep that happening. Okay, so we're going to take our x out. That's your spot right there. Plus z.
Is it centered with this? Or be able to center this with that?
I can center the robot to here. Watch. I can put it right down. Just the robot doesn't like to bend that far forward because our counterweight sucks. Do a little dance. Make a little robot. Get down tonight.
We're okay. We're okay crushing the TV like this.
Here we go.
Well, and that might change depending on what part we crush the TV.
But that's just about centered.
Go up and we'll set the TV over.
Okay. But it's going to move that fast when we crush it. You guys really got to work on wiping that thing down. It's still covered in dust.
No one's had a chance to wipe it down.
I put 2 people on it yesterday.
Yeah, that was because it was way the hell up there. And none of us knew how to move
Set
it.
the TV on.
Hey,
Come here, Muscles. Show off your rugged English fortitude. Combined with your Italian work ethic and your French bravery. It's just going to reach right out and smack you in the head. I was trying to get it up a little bit so you didn't smack me head on. You're delicate. I understand. You guys center that. That's pretty J. Do you want to put something under it, like a 2x4 or something?
I thought it was okay where it was.
Can we just smash one of these wheels off? One of the back stops?
Huh?
Oh, I see.
Robot say,
Made of Phillips.
Scotch.
Yeah.
Hi, Dale! How the hell are you? You gonna break that? Yeah. The voices told me.
I've seen a number of those break.
Yeah.
We're gonna haul one face shields.
Yeah.
No.
It's gonna be a thing.
Or just hold up a piece of that. It's got an implosion band on it.
Yeah, it's not designed to be crushed through the implosion band. So we did a fundraiser last night. We had that big, ugly old CRT monitor for Jeff, and it sucked. The resolution's trash. You can't really read it. It sucks. I need something you can see from across the cave. So I want to get a new. We just got a new monitor for this router room. I want to get one for here, and they're about $700. So I went to the IRC and I said, "Here's the deal. I want to do a fundraiser. I'm raising money to get this. I've had a 12-hour day. I'm exhausted. If you guys can wrap this up in half an hour, I'll take the old monitor, we'll crush it on camera, we'll make a production video out. It's going to be cool." We had the money in 5 minutes. They're like, "Break and ship it, robots, yes!" So, yeah, that. And because Hackaday are complete and total whores and desperately want people to put their logo on anything, we're like, "Yeah, we like Hackaday. They're cool. We dig what they do. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the Hackaday logo on that screen and say, 'Hackaday rocks, yay!' Crunch." And then we've got giant robots crushing monitors with the Hackaday logo. It's a spectacle! A spectacle! So that's what we're doing. That's the plan. So the IRC's happy, Hackaday's happy. We're happy because the video got picked up on Hackaday, which is cool because we like sharing this stuff, and Hackaday's got a pretty good audience of people that like what we do. So everybody wins.
Are we crushing it right now?
No, we're just getting set up. This is all pre-production. Tomorrow we're going to bring cameras in at about noon. At 1 o'clock we're going to do the thing. So if you want to watch this, get crushed live, be here tomorrow, 1300 hours sharp. That's when the show begins. Yes, that actually has carved pumpkins. And many other things. Wait until I'm doing G-code with that. It's coming.
I say you probably want something a little heavier than that. Doing metal?
We'll see. I'm going to want something more rigid. We're going to replace it. You're going to mount that with a piece of 80/20. You're going to make me some end of... We're going to make a lot of end-of-arm tooling. But that's where we get the new robot.
Once Mike has that circle plate measured out and everything, he can make all sorts of shit.
Oh, we don't have to measure that out. There's standard CAD file for that. End-of-arm tooling, man. That whole pattern is gospel. You can go on the Kuka website and get that.
Yeah, Mike gets that, we can make all sorts of neat shit.
Yeah.
The machine farted.
And you know what the next thing is for this? Once we do this tomorrow, I'm going to go to the IRC. I'm going to have all my research done, and I'm going to go to you. And I'm going to say, this is the model of racing seat we need. This is the mount that fits it. This is the racing harness we want for it. And we're going to make a seat mount, and we're going to terrify the Englishmen. Sleep. What do you want? Do you want it down?
Want it down.
Okay.
Without crushing the TV.
I know his name is Jeff, but you need to understand, it's not an animate object. Okay? It's not a real person. You have to say, "Hey Captain, could you please lower the head of the robot that I may wipe it off?"
You're a real boy.
Hey, jackass, bring that thing down here.
Okay. Bring it clear robot.
Bring it over
there.
TV.
Alright, well I gotta go back.
Why don't we just bolt the TV to the arm?
Bring like access.
Okay, you see it there? Alright, so my arm button. I got all the individual axes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1.
That would be so damn cool.
Huh?
Bolt the TV to the arm. Just let
Now,
it.
how is it going to TV so thin it'll just tear it? I was thinking about that.
Well, you get a sandwich plate now. Spray them all down. So it's like. You could have just climbed the way down. Yeah, that's what I did. There you go. Yeah, you were riding the nuclear weapon.
Does he have to form completely?
Totally. Come on, scrub you, Nancy!
Have you got my French maid outfit ordered yet?
I can do that. Ordered. I got that.
Ordered.
in
I got
stock.
3 of them downstairs.
Stock item.
My size hits size, and I'm size it'll fit you.
That's my Thursday night, man.
Now we're just gonna all stand around and watch.
Hey, Boden.
Yes.
You know what these points are right here? These are for lifting lines.
I'll bet they are.
No, I know they are because the other one had lifting lines.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And now we bolt the TV to the arm.
Oh, shit.
How do you hold the back?
How much would I bet is $1.20?
Big plate.
Unscrew
What you do
it and
is
find
you
out
just
if
do
there's
it
mounting
with the strap
inside.
down here.
Yeah, but then we're still crushing it this way. We're just picking it up to
Yeah,
crush it.
quick, just watch it go.
You string the cards down the arm, and then you have Hackaday swinging around all over the fucking place, and then boom!
And then you just say, oh fuck, and cut the video.
You're talking like 3 hours of programming just to make it do that.
Work.
Plus another 2
Or
on
are you
each
supposed
fucking
to
strap.
Work.
No, we'll just crush
Let's
it.
go with what we got.
Yeah.
We have another one of these.
No, I got rid of that.
You got rid of that?
Yeah. No, we got a couple other those big black ones you're supposed to shoot.
I gotta shoot those two.
Play with one.
No,
No, I know,
that
once
has
you practice.
Well, they have frames in them, don't they? We could probably do the whole swinging about better
Is
with
it
that
really that
frame.
rifle?
How many you got?
2.
2 and a couple to practice.
When are we doing it with the rifle? This
Sunday?
weekend? Sunday's
Maybe
good.
this weekend?
All of the labels were
Sunday's good.
No, we're just watching David Clinton.
Just fucking don't do out else, seriously. Look at him. You're filming the... Hate you, Aaron. It's probably painful. I've got 5 fresh chairs and More as it happens.